So hey guys, today I'll be talking about the Memefi script. It's been there in my GitHub profile for a while, but it had some bugs, and today I took some time to fix a couple of those bugs, and I think it's kind of working fine now. Uh, at least it should help you to max out your profile, I guess. So I won't be uploading this script to my GitHub profile. I'll link the bot directly in the comment box. So download it from here. Alright, so once you download the script, here's what you gotta do. First go to the Memefi bot and open the console of it and copy your query ID from here. Okay, and paste it in here, the query id.txt file. Okay, once you are done with pasting the query IDs, you will also find a config.json file in here. It is the bot configuration file, and the default is how I use it. Okay, you can adjust it accordingly, according your settings, according your requirements. Then there is one more file is combo.txt. It's according your requirements. Then there is one more file is combo.txt. It explains the daily combo, and you every day you have to write the combo code in here manually. Okay, for example, today's combo code is 4242. Okay, once you are done with all of this, save the file and run the bot in here. Okay, right click it and open the terminal in here. First download the requirements. Okay, for downloading the requirement, paste this following code: python m pip install requirement.txt. Okay, it will download the requirement files, the required files, and run the bot finally with python main.py. Okay, it should look like this. Okay, that is mean your ID is working, your bot is working.